Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My topic of presentation is break, जो कि मैं ख़ुद प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ वकास अहमद और प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ डॉक्टर नसीम इलियास साहब को. Break. Introduction. BRAIC stand for Bangladesh Rural Advancement Committee. BRAIC, an international development organization based in Bangladesh, is the largest non-governmental development organization in the world, measured by the number of employees and the number of people it has helped. BRAIC is an international development organization based in Bangladesh. In order to receive foreign donation, BRAIC was subsequently registered under the NGO Affairs Bureau of the Government of Bangladesh. BRAIC is the largest non-governmental development organization in the world. In terms of number of employees, as of September 2016, established by Sir Fazil Hassan Abid in 1972, after the independence of Bangladesh, BRAIC is present in all 64 districts of Bangladesh as well as 11 other countries in Asia, Africa and America. Vision of BRAIC: a world free from all form of exploitation and discrimination, where everyone has the opportunity to realize their potential. Mission of BRAIC: our mission is to empower people and communities in situations of poverty, illiteracy, diseases, and social injustice. Our intervention aims to achieve large-scale positive changes through economic and social programs that enable women and men to realize their potential. Value of BRAIC: integrity, innovations, inclusiveness, and effectiveness. BRAIC states that its employs over 90,000 people, roughly 70% of whom are women, and that it reach more than 126 million people with its services. The organization is partly self-funded through a number of social enterprises that includes dairy and food project, a chain of retail handicraft stores called Aro, seed and agro and chicken. BRAIC has operation in 11 countries of the world. Program range by BRAIC or main objective of BRAIC: economic development, education, public health, disaster relief. Economic main first objective, economic development. Microfinance introduced in 1974 is BRAIC oldest program. It spans all districts of Bangladesh. It provides collateral free loans to mostly poor, landless, rural women, enabling them to generate income and improve their standard of living. BRAIC's microcredit program have funded over 1.9 billion in loans in its first 40 years. 95% of BRAIC microloan customers are women. According to BRAIC, the repayment rate is over 98%. BRAIC started community empowerment program back in 1988 all over the country. BRAIC funded its retail outlet Arong, Bengali for village fair, in 1978 to market and distribute product made by indigenous people. Arong services about 65,000 artisans and sells gold and silver jewelry, handlooms, leather craft, etc. The second objective of BRAIC is education. BRAIC is one of the largest NGOs involved in primary education in Bangladesh. As of the end of 2012, had more than 27,700 non-formal primary schools with a combined enrollment of 6,70,000 children. Its schools constitute 3/4 of all NGOs non-formal primary schools in the country. BRAIC's education program provide non-formal primary education to those let out of the formal education system, especially poor, rural, or disadvantaged children and dropouts. Its schools are typically one room with one teacher and no more than 33 students. Core subjects include mathematics, social studies, and English. The schools also offer extracurricular activities. They incentive schooling by providing food, allowing flexible learning hours, and conferring scholarship contingents on academic performance. Bangladesh has reduced the gap between male and female attendant in the school. The improving in female enrollment, which has largely been at the primary level, is in part attributed to break. Roughly 60% of the students in their schools are girls. Disaster relief. BRAKE conducted one of the largest NGO responses to Cyclone Sidr, which hit vast area of the south-western coast in Bangladesh in mid-November 2007. BRAKE distributed emergency relief material including food and clothing to over 9 lakh survivors, provide medical care to over 60,000 victims, and secure safe supplies of drinking water. BRAKE is now focusing on long-term rehabilitation, which will include agriculture support, infrastructure reconstruction, and livelihood regeneration. BRAKE in Pakistan. BRAKE began operation in Pakistan in 2007 through a microfinance program. In addition to microfinance, we are now running a program in health and education. BRAKE is currently serving about 4,37,465 people in 14 districts of 4 provinces. मेनली हमारा टॉपिक ब्रेक था जो कि बांग्लादेश में स्टार्ट हुआ था और फिर उसके 64 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में उसने काम किया. उसके बाद वो 11 कंट्रीज़ में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ, मतलब 11 कंट्रीज़ में उसने काम किया. और ब्रेक का पाकिस्तान में वही काम है जो कि बांग्लादेश में किया. उसकी जो 5 ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, 4 ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है. इकनॉमिक है, इकनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट है, फिर उसके बाद एजुकेशन है जो कि मेन थीम है एजुकेशन. उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा काम हुआ है और पाकिस्तान में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प कर रहे हैं. और इनका मेन काम ही है गरीबों की हेल्प करना, पुअर पीपल की हेल्प करना, इलिटरेसी ख़त्म करना और हेल्थ में हेल्प करना लोगों की, और डिज़ास्टर में रिलीफ करना, डिज़ास्टर में हेल्प करना. और यही काम उसके पाकिस्तान में भी है. और ब्रेक पे इतना ही था और फर्स्ट टाइम था वीडियो प्रेजेंटेशन का. असल में मैंने स्लाइड्स बनाई हैं जिस पे मैंने साउंड रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है. उसमें बहुत अच्छा मैंने एक्सप्लेन भी किया था, लेकिन पता नहीं वो अभी प्ले नहीं हो रही है, तो इसलिए मैं अभी मोबाइल से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ और सर आपको सेंड कर रहा हूँ. आप देख लें और प्लीज़ एक्सेप्ट कर लें. फ़र्स्ट टाइम था और दैट्स ऑल. तो एक दफ़ा आप देख लें और अगर कोई गाइडेंस देख सकते हैं, कोई गलती है तो मुझे गाइड करें, अगर मैं आगे उस पर काम कर सकता हूँ तो कर. थैंक यू.